Hey guys, it's your girl Shelly's J.A. Bickle and Lifestyle. This vlog is a little different. It will be a motivational vlog. A lot of us are going through crisis. We're going through trauma. We're going maybe through spiritual warfare. We're going maybe through family issues. We're maybe going through health issues. We're maybe going through a time in our lives where we have given up or we felt like giving up. But in this video, I just want to motivate you. Wherever you are, don't forget the problems, the struggles that we all face daily, whether be it intentional or unintentional, whether we brought it upon ourselves or it's a situation that we're going through. You are not alone. You are not alone in it. At some point or sometimes in our lives, we've all come across hurdles. We've all faced trials, temptations. We've all been through something or we're all struggling with something. Right now, as you see me, I am struggling with some things. Is it something I want to take on the internet? No. It's personally with me, within me, and I have to find means and ways how to deal with it or to cope with it. It's not everything that we're going through we should put out there on social media. In this day and age that we live, everything we put on social media. If we piss, if we shit, if we have sexual intercourse, if we going through marriage problems, whatever we're going through, we take it and we put it on social media. There is a trace, there is a track with what we put out there, and what we put out there, it will never be erased. People will take it and people will share it. And I realize in the day and age, if you see me looking, I'm looking outside. It's like so beautiful. It's after 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's still bright outside, still beautiful. And I'm just looking outside. Birds are flying. I'm just looking outside. But whatever you're going through, don't give up. Don't give up on this life. Giving up is not an option or should not be an option. If you're struggling with depression, if you're struggling with whatever type or kind of mental health issues, don't give up. I am here today to tell you, be encouraged. Don't listen to the noise in the market. There's so much going on out there. There's so much distraction going on in the world today. And if we allow these distractions, and I'll say again, if we allow these distractions to get the best of it, the best of us, then we're gonna be at the same spot or the same space where we are. Find a friend. If you can't find a friend, find a book, write your thoughts down, meditate on them, and most of all, don't forget about God. Pray to God. Just trust the process. Put faith in the midst of your trials, in the midst of your struggles. Just mark the word faith in it. Faith, remember what faith is. It is what we do not see. It is what we're hoping for. Faith is the substance of things not seen. So today, you don't know what your future holds. I don't know what my future holds. Your trials and your struggles, whatever they are, they're holding you down. They're holding you back. But I'm here today to tell you, just don't give up on you. Don't give up on your struggles. Don't give up on your pain. Because what? God sees. My answer or my response, my yes or my no, might not be the time when you get your yes or you get your no. So no matter what you're going through, No matter what family members, no matter what friends have put you through, trust the process. And in spite and in the midst of your trials, your struggles, your weaknesses, your failure, just don't give up. Put your faith and your trust only in God and not man. And I think that is where a lot of us, even myself, we've fallen short, where we put our faith and our trust in families, friends. We put our trust in social media. So we put everything out there in the atmosphere. And then when criticisms come back at us, we blame the person criticizing us, or we blame persons who wants to give us maybe their best opinion, which might not be what you want to hear at that point in time when you're going through your trials or your struggles. But I am here today to tell you, be it immigration issue, be it illegal issue being in the US, being it you're about to be deported, whatever it is, just remember that God has a plan for you. He has a plan for me, for you. It might not be what you want, but it is God's intention for you. So today, be encouraged. Hold on to God's unchanging hand. And as I always say, remember to set goals. Set goals in order of the most important. Once you set your goals in that order, work accordingly towards your goals. Remember, I said, do not listen to the noise in the market, because there's a lot of noise going out there. There are voices coming from different angles, different areas telling you where to go, what to do. Trust your guts. And I want to encourage someone today. Let God be your focus. Let God be the mastermind behind every issue and every problem that you face, every trial that comes your way, every mishap in 2025 that comes your way. Put God in the front. Let him drive you. Let him be the direction. I can tell you, I'm a living testimony. 2025 did not start off good for me. There were so many distractions coming from families, coming from friends. Lots of distraction. And I'm not afraid or ashamed to tell you that it got the best of me. It got the best of me where I found myself in a spot where I started to keep my feelings in, because screaming or trying to get back at that person, it would not get me anywhere. But listen, 2025, there are a lot of trials, there are a lot of tests coming your way and my way. But I'm just here today to tell you, be encouraged, be prepared. God says he will not give up on you. Only we as humans, we give up on him. Through your trials, through your tests, just don't give up. It could be the job you're searching for, the husband you're searching for. You're planning to start your family. Take everything to God in prayer. Because when the world has turned against you, just remember, God got your back. He has mine and he has yours. So don't give up. Through your test and through your trials, stay in this city, as the Jamaican people would say, and do it with intentional. Be intentional when you pray. Be intentional when you're searching for that peace that is supposed to be within you. Be intentional. Don't just go pray and say, Lord, this is what I want and I want it now. Be intentional about what we ask God for. And don't put a timing on your asking. Because may I tell you, 2025 has been rough for me. It has been tough for me. Mentally, psychologically, darts are being thrown at me. But listen, through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. And I am not going to let that portion or that piece get me down or get me to a place of which God did not intend it to go for me. So stay focused. Don't give up on yourself. Don't let go of your dreams and your aspirations. Be encouraged. Check out my Facebook page, Shelly's J.A. Bickle, my YouTube page. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe. I'm here to motivate you, and you too should motivate me. Have a blessed and a peaceful week. There's a lot ahead for us, and if we haven't learned how to pray, now is the time that we should get on our knees and pray. Have a blessed week. If you see this video, drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. And I wish for you peace. I wish for you joy. I wish for you happiness. And may all your struggles be overcome. Trust in God and let faith be your portion. Bye.